A beeping sound from your Bradford White water heater is an important alert signal that indicates a problem requiring your immediate attention. The beeping could indicate several different issues. Let's examine the most common causes that trigger this alarm. The most common causes include water leaks around the unit, overheating of the system, low fuel levels in propane models, high water pressure, and dirty air filters that need cleaning. Many Bradford White water heaters have digital displays that show specific error codes to help you identify the exact problem. Start your troubleshooting by performing a visual inspection around the water heater. Look carefully for any signs of water leakage on the floor or along plumbing connections. Next, check the digital display for any error codes. Consult your unit's manual or visit the manufacturer's website to understand what each specific code means. Some models have an anode rod reset feature. When the red light illuminates, it indicates the anode rod is nearing the end of its life. Press the button once to silence the alarm, or hold it for 10 seconds after replacing the rod to reset the system. Remember, the beeping alarm is your water heater's way of communicating that something needs attention. By following these initial steps, you can identify the issue and determine the appropriate next action. For electric water heaters experiencing beeping alarms, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, locate and press the red reset button, which is typically found on the top thermostat of your unit. Next, ensure your water heater is properly plugged in and check if the circuit breaker has tripped. If the breaker has tripped, reset it to restore power to your unit. For gas water heaters, the most common issue is an unlit pilot light. Check if your pilot light is burning. You should see a small blue flame. If it's out, follow your manufacturer's specific instructions to safely relight it. Also verify that your gas supply line is properly connected. However, if you detect any gas odor, evacuate the area immediately and contact a professional. Never attempt repairs when gas is present. If your water heater displays an F14 error code, this indicates that your air filter needs cleaning. This is a simple maintenance task you can perform yourself. Remove the air filter from the top of your unit, clean it thoroughly with water, and allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. This should clear the F14 error and restore normal operation. There are several situations where you should immediately contact a professional technician rather than attempting repairs yourself. Error codes 7 and 8 specifically indicate gas valve faults that require expert attention. Always call a professional if you detect any gas odor, if your troubleshooting attempts don't resolve the issue, or if you feel uncomfortable performing any of these procedures. Your safety is the top priority. Regular preventive maintenance can help avoid many water heater issues before they start. Replace the batteries in your anti-flood valves every 12 months and manually test these valves every 6 months by tripping and rearming them. Consider scheduling an annual professional inspection to catch potential problems early and ensure your water heater continues operating safely and efficiently.